Yeah, I'm addicted to this shit. Damn.
You know, I'm gonna try to get it as clean as I can today.
We ballin' like the March Madness. All these cops shooting a nigga tragic.
Excuse my language. I'm always trying not to cuss, but camera focus and stuff, all that schmuck and muck, especially under the damn intake manifold. Oh my God, it is mucky up under there. Down here. Just a nice before and after. I got a thing about cleaning stuff before I even disassemble it. It's better when it's clean, so when you go to disassemble it, it's not so bad. And I'm using La Totally Awesome with some Dawn soap. Oh, my baby. I love it. I love it. I love it. So, end result, getting everything somewhat. Looks 10 times better than it did. Remember that spot? Looks better. A lot better. And that oil, top of the oil pan, looks damn good. Let's see what the Lincoln sounds like. The Lincoln 4.6.
Same flow match as you got. You should have got the
Hold on, bro.
Made $1 million out the kitchen, wrist game legendary. Everybody hit us, total strap, that's necessary.
So you can get a good sound of it. Lincoln Town Car. Hey man, hit it a little bit.